What's good, guys? It's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys read by the title, I am going to be doing some spring cleaning, and I am starting with my closet here. I am going to be getting rid of some of this stuff that I know I'm not going to wear this spring and summer, as well as some things that I just did not touch during the winter. So this was a dress and I cut it into a blouse, but I'm not really feeling it and don't think I'll ever wear it, so I am getting rid of that. And then I have this sweater dress here, which I thought was so freaking cute when I first got it. I got it on a bargain, but as I just wore it a couple of times, I don't really like it, so I'm getting rid of it. And then, guys, I have this other dress here that I have had for a long time, and it was one of my favorite dresses. I cleaned in it, I did all the things in it. It was just kind of like a throw-on one, and I kind of just don't reach for it when I'm looking for something to wear. So I'm just contemplating on if I'll keep it or not. So I'm going to put it to the side there to just kind of make my mind up on that particular dress. And then for all the ones on this side, I do really still like, or I just have not gotten a chance to actually wear yet. So I think I'm going to leave the ones that are hanging up on that side alone for now. But going over to, because I do kind of have them color coordinated, over to the beige side, this is a dress that I purchased last year, I think, for spring or summer trip, but it just constantly shrinks whenever you put it in the dryer, and I think I got it for like $5, so I'm not gonna keep that. And then also, guys, this dress here was one of my favorite dresses, and green is my favorite color, and I just love the flowers on it. But as you guys can see, it broke on me, and I kind of tied it across the back, and I still just don't feel like it fits well, so I'm gonna get rid of that, even though it was one of my favorites. And then I have this romper here that is lined, and I really don't know because I have not worn it in so long, but I like it, but I just haven't worn it in so long. So I'm gonna take it off of the hangers and put it in the I'll think about it pile. But I think I may get rid of this as well, just because it's been on the hangers for so long and I have not worn it in a while. And then I think pretty much the only other thing that I want to get rid of is my two gold dresses. So I have this gold dress here that has a lot of like little snags in it. You really can't tell, but it's kind of like a silk material, and it has a lot of little snags in it from when I did wear it, and I just don't think that I am going to actually wear it again. So I'm getting rid of that. And then I have this red dress that I bought for my graduation, but I just didn't really like it, and I don't think that I'm going to ever wear it again, so I'm going to get rid of it as well. And then here is the other gold dress that has like glitter or shimmer in it, and I don't think I'm ever going to wear this again. This was one of my engagement picture dresses, and it was very, very beautiful on me, but I don't think like I'll just have a purpose to wear it again, even though it is really beautiful. So I am going to put this in the donation pile as well, because I just don't think that I'll be getting any use out of it. But I do have pretty much all the things that I'm not gonna wear, and as you guys can see, there are some big spaces now in my wardrobe, and I am just going to try to make do with what I have until I get some more pieces. But as far as like the winter stuff goes, I have some sweaters and stuff that I just am not gonna wear anymore. This was a sweater that I loved, but as you guys can see, it looks a mess now because of all the snags and fading and the cotton balls on it, as well as this blue one here is just faded out. It's not the color that it used to be when I first purchased it. So, and I hate my clothes to just look like that, so I'm not gonna wear that anymore. And then as well as this sweater here, it's not the color it used to be. It's faded, it has little cotton balls that won't come out, and so I just don't want to have anything in my closet that I am not going to be wearing. And I am just pretty much going to change these hangers out as well too on that side. But this is what my dresses and everything are looking like, so I have room to grow and add more pieces. And of course, I have things in the washer or in the dirty laundry that I have to put back as well, but this makes more space definitely within my winter sweaters and cardigans, as well as my dresses. And like I said, I'm just going to switch those hangers out as well, because they are definitely not matching, and I was supposed to do it a long time ago, but I just have not done it. And then guys, moving on, I am going to go ahead and start to clean my windowsills because I like to let the windows up and let fresh air in during the springtime. So I'm just going to use some hot water and some Clorox cleaner to spring clean my windows here, because I just feel like this is a space that we miss most during like the winter months or during just like regular cleaning. It's not something that I typically like clean on a regular basis, but for like spring cleaning, I definitely want to clean the windowsills. So I'm starting with the windows in my room, and I'm going to just go ahead and clean these. And if you have made it to this part of the video, definitely comment below your favorite part about spring cleaning if you enjoy it, or your favorite part about spring. And then also don't forget to like and then subscribe if you have not subscribed already. I would love to have you join my channel. I see you in the crowded room and I can't breathe. Every word you say, it cuts me deep. I try to smile, pretend it's all okay, but inside I'm crumbling, can't make it stay. Your touch, it lingers, it leaves a mark, but being near you tears me apart. I need some space, some time to heal, to find myself and remember what I feel. I can't be around you right now, right now. I need to find my way somehow, somehow. Every moment, every memory is too hard for me to carry. Sitting here staring at the empty space, trying to erase the trees in your face. Every time it hurts, every time I breathe, I'm reminded of the love we used to be. Walking down the street, the memories unfold, but I can't hold on to what we had, I'm told. Every step I take, every word I say, feels like a weight I can't bear, day by day. I can't be around you right now, right now. I need to find my way somehow, somehow. I can't be around you right now. Now guys, moving on to my trash can. I don't normally like take it outside and clean it out, but since we are spring cleaning, I did want to take it outside and give it like a nice clean, a nice wipe down. And then I already cleaned the outside of it, the inside of it yesterday, and now it is completely dry on the inside. So I just put a bag in there, and now I am just wiping the outside of it off to take it back inside. I just feel like every now and then you need to like fully refresh your house's trash cans, just because they do hold odor, and it is a great way to just freshen up your space as well by just getting the trash clean. And then guys, the pollen has been crazy, so I am just on my front porch just rinsing off my flowers and my little lamps and stuff that I have on the front porch that are full of pollen. And I'll probably have to do this several times this spring, but just for a start, I am giving it the first cleaning and getting all of that pollen and everything off, because oh my goodness, it's just piling up so bad. And I just took hot water and a rag and just wiped it down. And then moving on to my stove, guys, I wanted to clean this out here because I moved in this house at least over 6 months ago, and I have been cooking literally almost every single day since I moved in, at least 4 days a week, because we try not to eat out so much. But this is the result of cooking all the time and just going without actually like getting down in there. So I am going to just try my best to clean this out here. So I'm pulling out all of the racks, and I'm taking my hot water and my Clorox spray and some baking soda here to try to get it all cleaned out, and just sprinkling that on the inside, and just trying to, you know, create some type of paste where it will be able to help me scrub out this oven, because like I said, it has not been cleaned in a while. But guys, these products here, I quickly learned, does not work very well by themselves for just cleaning out the oven, and I am going to actually need an oven cleaner. So I did begin to clean this and quickly learned that it did not work out. So I'm going to have to purchase some oven cleaner and then try again. But this was my attempt to try to clean my oven out, but I'm definitely going to need oven cleaner. But I will keep you guys updated on when I get oven cleaner, how the oven cleaner actually works, because this just baking soda and hot water and Clorox cleaner is definitely not going to work for the stove. But I thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see y'all next time.